It cannot be read by a voltmeter. Voltmeter will read the actual potential difference between 2 points. ठीक है? Did you attempt a few questions?
Yes.
अच्छा. एक और बात दिखाऊंगा आपको. Suppose करो we have 3 resistors R1, R2, R3. Obviously, and the potential difference across the 3 of them is V, and I is the current in the circuit. And you have been asked to find the potential difference across R2. Listen to me very carefully. It's very interesting. There are 2 schools of thought. One is find the current. I into R2 is the potential difference across potential difference across R2 is V2, which is I into, and how much is I? V over into R2. The other thought process is, let me divide the potential. As V is equal to I into R, the potential is divided in the direct ratio. हाँ जी, बंटवारा किस चीज का करना है? क्या V का? दोबारा करना है V का. हमने R2 के क्रॉस निकालना है, into R2 कर दो, upon the sum. As you see, the end result is the same. Over here I am doing I into R2. Over here I am dividing the potential in the direct ratio. When you divide potential in direct ratio, it can be divided from as many resistors because it is in direct ratio. Okay? ये पड़ा actually I. I into R2 and VR2 over R2. The thought process is entirely different, but the end result is the same. I hope you got the knack. It will be used in so many cases, please. And what you ought to know is that you have to do both, because there would be questions in which I would be dividing the potential directly. Diwali idhar. ठीक है? And there would be so many questions in which I into R would be valid. Like over here, here I निकाल लो into R2. ठीक है? But in some cases where the values would be a bit dicey, you can simply divide the potential, and by a click you will be able to determine. Like if you have 2 resistors of the same value, then the potential is divided equally. कोई निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है, अगर निकालोगे तो भी वही आएगा. So you can divide the potential in your mind. You can divide it over here. The potential is divided in the resistors in the direct ratio of the resistors. And the current is divided in the inverse ratio of their resistors, and that result I into R2 over R2 plus R2 का निकाल के दिखाया था, can be valid only for 2 resistors. If there are 3 resistors, you would really have to find the potential difference. Let's start with this question here. बारह और 6 4 4 और 4 2 और 3 2 और 3 5 5 और let's say 6 11 this is let me say 11 or 3 ohm, and let this be 28 volts or 14 volts. Okay? The arguments here are: number 1, find terminal potential difference across the cell. बना लो. B, current through 6 ohm resistor. some register. Both girls are working with you in a manner that you are spending 2 to 2.5 hours every day on the subject and doing questions. Volts, right? तुमको निकालना पड़ेगा. Actually, it is the terminal potential difference which will be divided now. Be sure. If you have to divide 14 volt, then you will have to include 3 ohm also. If you have to divide 14 volt, then you will have to include 3 volt also. So usually it is done by the current over here, you know. This can be reduced to 3 ohm. ये कितना? 2 है मेरा क्या? 2 ohms, and this is 6 ohms. And there is
1/3 current and 11 volts.
A current of the current from the battery, let's say. I कितना आ गया जी? 14 over 14 equal to 1 ampere. The potential difference V is E minus IR. What is E? 1 is 3. 14 minus 3 equal to?
Equivalent of
Okay. I'm used to this. A, B. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Now we cannot divide the current like this because the current of I कितना यहाँ पे? 1 ampere. 1 ampere will be divided amongst 12, 6 and 4. यहाँ पे एक और काम कर सकते हो पता है? अगर आप divide करना है ना तो we have a click here. Like 12 and 6 gives you 4. I think half इधर आ जाएगा, half इधर आ जाएगा. And then that half ampere has to be divided amongst 6 and 12. The answer is going to be half into 12 over 18. You know, sometimes it is where it becomes very simple. उतना ज़्यादा simple हो गया because वो value same आ गई और मेरे को कुछ करना ना पड़ा. नहीं तो अगर करना भी पड़े तो 2 बार divide कर लोगे. But still, I think finding the potential difference is also not at all a bad option. These are the points B and C, and there is a current of 1 ampere here. Look, it becomes so simple. अगर ये करो तो ये simple लगता है, वो करो तो वो आसान लगता है. और नाले ना, it is very nice to determine the potential difference between any 2 points randomly. जितना वो करोगे उतना अच्छा लगेगा. VPC कितना है ये? 1 into 2. Already just a minute. I am also calculating. This is 2 volt. Now this 2 volt is the potential difference across B and C. It means it is the potential difference across 2 ohms, across 12 ohms, 6 ohm and 4 ohms. I repeat my statement that when a number of resistors are connected in parallel, the potential difference across them is the same. I think I am a better view than that. के बाद से देखना, वहाँ screen लगा देख रहे हैं उल्टी तरफ उस तरफ भी lecture चल रहा है. यार वैसे 2 classes simultaneously ली जा सकती हैं. देखो ना, इतना उधर स्क्रीन आ गया है, एकदम भी है ना हाईटेक हो जाना सिस्टम. इधर उधर प्रणाली आ जाए, कोई उठो पे सर इधर बड़ा अच्छा लेक्चर है, दिल्ली चल रहा है क्लास, साइमल्टेनियस क्लास चल रही है. I better play my tennis. These things confuse me a lot. I want to go. What's the class? 30 यार. This is I1. This is I2. This is I3. And I2. हाँ चीज़ रिलेट करने के बाद जितने क्वेश्चंस करोगे उतना अच्छा लगेगा तो. I2 is 2 by 6 which is
1 by 3.
I hope everybody is okay. You're taking a test on Saturday? हैं? Saturday को है? चलो तो Sunday कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, Sunday कर लेते हैं. और you can take it on Monday also. Extra time भी देना. I'm not going to give you my own time for this. You can take it on Monday. Why? एक मिनट. यार रिकॉर्ड हो जाना. ओके वेट बंद करके डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है. पढ़ लेने. Once we miss it, then it's gone. Because we're going to get into this too deep. Is this okay? There are beautiful questions on terminal potential difference. आपने पता नहीं क्या किया. आपने सीरीज पैरेलल नेटवर्क सॉल्व किए?
Yes, sir.
वो सारे सर्किट को ना करें. ठीक है. हाँ चलो ऐसे करते हैं. कुछ बना लेते हैं, कुछ ट्राई कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. हाँ सेम है यार. हाँ सर्किट तो सेम ही है. एक भी नहीं होगा ऐसा. Nevertheless, आज मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ कुछ बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग करवा के जाना है. उस तो पहले let me see how much you remember solving questions. ठीक है. वैसे अपना बोरिंग लगेगा बहुत. ठीक है. और इकट्ठे करते हैं वैल्यूज की डाल के. ठीक है. ऐसे हाँ जी बोलो. Series. So let's say this is इन 6 बनाना है आपका. 4 ohm and 2 ohm. 6 and 3. 2 and 3. 5 and 5. 2.5. मैं दे ही देता हूँ मेरा ख्याल. और मेरे दिमाग में ना जल्दी है. मैंने कुछ और करवाना है. ऐसे करो. ये सॉल्व कर दे. मैंने दूसरी आप 10 वोल्ट है. प्लीज फाइंड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस दिस टू 50. अब देखो यहाँ पे पोटेंशियल डिवाइड करोगे तो मजा आएगा. ठीक है ना. अभी वैसे चाइना 2 to 4 lakhs only. MCI top ranked English medium Indian food, Indian tea.
Sir, 4 by 3.
No, MBBS is also going to be Chinese.
4 by 3 is sir.
Do you know you have to come and take a paper? Do you know this? Please don't get into this nonsense.
Which paper?
Which paper? If you do MBBS from China and you come to India to start practicing or to apply in a hospital, you have to take the paper and the success rate is only 5%. वो कुछ करवाते नहीं है ना। आप 5 साल चाइना में बीजिंग देखाते हो, वही बात है ना। ठीक है ना, सड़कें देखे हैं नहीं, इतना ना फैड हम खत्म हो जाना है। मुझे उत्थे जाना है। I think these people spend a lot of money within their own country. And उत्थे की है 2 दिन जाने पासपोर्ट तो और लग जाती है। दुबई गया था मैं आज से 10 साल पहले, ठीक है, मॉल देखा है 2000 I think इंसान ने ऐसे बस I think what about that? Bad.
Sir, 4x3.
I'll catch you better. Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso was an artist only, I think. I guess this is the day that we tell us. If I'm wrong, tell me.
4x3.
Joining करिए।
Yes, sir.
देखो गर्ल्स, आप इधर बैठ के एंजॉय किया करो सेकंड्स। एक्चुअली 10 वोल्ट का बंटवारा पहले करना है हमने 4 और 2, 6 और 3, 2 और 3। वहां मेरे को सिर्फ 10 वोल्ट 5 ओम के क्रॉस भी है और 2 और 3 के भी है, और डायरेक्ट रेशो में डिवाइड करूंगा तो 10 इंटू 3 2 है वहां यार, 10 इंटू
2/5
डायरेक्ट रेशो 2/5
4 वोल्ट।
खुद देखो, अगर हम यहाँ पे करंट निकालने लग जाए ना तो स्यापा खड़ा हो जाए, वो तो जाएगा। नाउ दिस 4 वोल्ट इज टू बी डिवाइडेड अमंगस्ट 4 and 2। 4 into 2/6।
4/3
It's so convenient, isn't it? If we do it by current, you will really have to determine the current. मैं ऐसे करके करना होना बेटे, जिसमें मैं 2 तरीके सिखा रहा होना है। Some people think यार एक से हो तो रहा है, मेरे को समझ आ रहा है, रेजिस्ट करते हैं। Please don't do it. If things are really in series, आपको नजर आ रही है, चलो I into R है, I into that resistance and the current also through that resistance. But over here, I think finding the current through each resistor would definitely be a cumbersome job. बहुत कुछ डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। हो सकता है, हो क्यों नहीं सकता, हो कुछ भी सकता, ठीक है ना। पहले करंट आप निकालोगे सारे सर्किट में से, ठीक है, फिर उसको डिवाइड करोगे 5 में और 6 में, 5 में और 6 में डिवाइड करोगे, फिर उसको डिवाइड करोगे 5 और काफी चक्कर पाएगा वो करंट निकालने को लगा। डिवाइडिंग द पोटेंशियल इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी वेरी नाइस थिंग। अच्छा, अब आप करो, मेरे को करके दिखाओ ये। Each 1 ohm, each 2 ohms, okay. What else are we doing here? Can you suggest something else? Where? मैंने कोई वैल्यू नहीं दी। Each 2 ohms, each 2 ohms. Each resistor 2 ohms. Equal circuits, please. एक बार।
second also 2 by 2.
Every unmarked resistor on the board is 2 ohms. Every unmarked resistor on the board. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Which one? This one? इधर भी कुछ है? सब इकट्ठा करते हैं। मंडे को तो कोई टेस्ट नहीं है ना आपका? मंडे को भी? और मेरा टेस्ट तो सीधा Sunday done. Sunday. No.
किस वाले का गति को बता नीचे वाले का इसके साथ वाले का इसके साथ वाले का पता नहीं
Current discussion. All done, बेटा? Ranji? लो देखो जी the first one these two are in parallel 2 and 2 giving me 1 these two are in parallel 2 and 2 giving me now 1 and 1 are in it is giving me 2 and 2 and 2 are in parallel giving me 2 by 3 ठीक है जी first these two are in series between these 2 points देखो ना यहां से एक तो ये बाहर वाला सीधा ये 2 होगा ठीक है फिर ये वाला 2 and 2 4 ओम का, फिर ये वाला कितने का, 4 ओम का, और एक बाहर के बाहर, this is like this. If we draw the other one, ओ जरा इसको पहला सेगा ओ दे विच पहले इधर वाले बनाएंगे, फिर इधर वाले बनाएंगे, फिर वो दो सीरीज में। Everybody okay? We solved all capacitor networks in this pattern. This can be done by rubbing only. ठीक है? हाँ जी बोलिए जाओ. 1 minus 2. 2 again 2. 1. This is 2, है ना? 2 is 1. 1 is 2 and 2 and 1. In parallel it's 2 by 3. I think everything on the board was 2 by 3. Okay. ये वाला क्या है? Now this is that part of the circuit जो आपको पैरेलल में नजर नहीं आते. ये दोनों पैरेलल में. This is not a bridge. ठीक है? So between these 2 points, this is a 1 ohm resistor. 2 and 2 giving you 1, and this is 2 ohms. 3 and 2 in parallel. 3 into 2 by 5, 6 by 5. If 2 resistors are in parallel, you can directly write R1, R2. Actually, हम 6 3 2 ऐसे बोल देते हैं, हम भूल जाते हैं कि this is actually 6 into 3 by 9. 12 into 6 is 4. It is actually 12 into 6 by 18. Okay, and each is 2 ohm. I said.
Yes, sir.
These two are in parallel. Between this point and 2 and 2 giving you 1. And then these two are in parallel between the same two, between these points. This is a good one. आपको टेस्ट में भी डाला. Okay जी. So circuits revisited. I've done so much in one day, which will spend around 3 days. And there were questions. There could be questions in books in which you have to find the potential difference across each one points. Okay? We'll revisit the questions every day. Let me discuss with you cells in series and parallel. मैंने तो याद है ना बराबर. 2 दिन छुट्टी करके ना. लो. Cells in series and parallel is not only a part of your syllabus, but it is also one of a big part of your syllabus. The derivation that I am going to do is not going to be asked on the paper, but it is going to tell us how to solve questions if we have a number of cells packed together. We have done only with one cell. ठीक है? तो पहले ये cells in series. बहुत आसान. Cells in series. N cells है. सारा कुछ short form सृष्टि की तरह. And I'm not talking about the physics. Each cell, E, EMF, R. Okay? This arrangement is behaving like okay? आराम से करना है. अच्छा? So in a numerical problem also you have to work it out like this. And once we learn, we can work it out for it. What do you think is the current in the circuit? Any by आपस है ना? This is the way we will solve it. इसको इतनी सी बात. चलो अब एक थोड़ा सा रिजल्ट निकालते हैं यहाँ से। अगर इस तरह का सिंगल सेल है, दिस इज नॉट अ सिंगल सेल, दिस इज एन इक्विवेलेंट सेल। फॉर अ सिंगल सेल I single. What is the pattern? ठीक है, n cells लगाए हैं यार, मजा तो है ना, if the current through n cells is n times the current through a single cell, उसकी कंडीशन निकालनी है। वो कंडीशन मेरे पास है कि for r very much greater than r, I कितना, तो पहले is कितना, e by r, और I कितना, it means I is equal to n into is. The condition is, you will ask a conceptual question. It means we will always attach the cells in series if the external resistance is very much greater than the internal resistance. नहीं तो हम नहीं लगाएंगे series में. He says, I'm giving you n cells. To get the best benefit, how will you attach them? He says, first of all, I will see that what is the load resistance and what is the internal resistance. If the load resistance is very much larger than the internal resistance, I will definitely attach the cells in, because that is what gives me the current is n. इसको ज़्यादा benefit नहीं हो सकता. This is the best benefit. So we will write a conclusion here. Cells are attached in series if the load resistor is very much greater than the internal, but R greater than R. Cells are attached in series if R is very much greater than R. Okay? Cells in parallel. M cells, each of EMF E internal resistance R. मेरे साथ करो यार, नहीं तो मेरे को कल पूछोगे या आपने आदत डाल ली कि घर में YouTube पे देखेंगे. Don't get into that habit. It's a wastage of time also. ठीक है ना? It is only for emergencies. Keep it only for emergencies. ऐसे रोज आपको कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठ देखो सर हमारे सर पढ़ा रहे हैं. Don't do it. Take on करेंगे मसाइल. ठीक है? It is only to get back, please. ठीक है? We people don't have time. We people don't even have time to sleep yet. बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर करके सोते हैं. मैं और आप लोग. फिर इस टाइम सो जाओ. उस टाइम कुछ और करना पड़ जाए तो सापा खड़ा हो जाता. मेरी जिंदगी में तो नहीं. So please see that you keep working on a streamlined thing. नहीं तो क्या होगा? We will panic. We are working in a streamlined manner. We should keep working. Like कदम बढ़ाए चलना डर. थोड़ा करते. आते. Please work with me and let's work together. Okay. And so on. Okay, we have so many of them like this. Okay. Each of EMF E internal resistance. हाँ जी बोलो. These are M cells. It will behave like a single cell of EMF E. यार हर सेल बोल रहा है that the potential difference between these 2 points is maintained as E. The question in your mind at this time, Mr. Picasso, could be, okay, sir, if these 2 cells are of different EMFs, then what is the effective EMF? That's altogether different arguments, and it could be obtained by a different method. ठीक है? So फिलहाल पर करेंगे, बताएंगे. फिलहाल each cell is of EMF E, and effective EMF is also E. And what is the effective internal resistance? R by M. ठीक है, समझ आई बात? 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R is M times is 1 by total internal resistance. Did you follow my point? And then it will be M by R, and it will ultimately become R by M. What is I? E by R plus R by M. You can say ME by R plus MR. Okay? Now if I have a single cell, obviously what is the current?
E by R plus R.
Please judge. For best benefit, the best benefit is if the current through M cells is M times the current through a single cell. क्या condition आएगी? For R very much greater than R. Internal resistance अगर बड़ा हो तो IS क्या आ गया? E by R. और I कितना आ गया? M E by R. And we get I to be M times I. Best benefit. Solve कैसे करना है numericals वो आपको मैंने बता दिया. But एक condition ये कटी जाने हैं कि when will you connect cells in parallel? If the internal resistance is very much larger than इनको आप जाकर पढ़ लेंगे पुत्री इतना लोकल याद रहेगा और ultimately याद रहेगा. Taking small steps leads to a larger step. When you jump bigger, you're likely to break a bone. Conclusion: cells are connected in parallel if R is very much greater than R. Mixed grouping. And the cells. And rows, vertical column होते हैं, horizontal rows होते हैं. बस मैं ऐसे करता हूँ कि n m into n ऐसे n लगे हुए हैं. ये क्या बोलेंगे? ये n है. दोस्तों ये 2, 3, 4. So vertical columns. They are n columns. N columns and m rows. Vertical columns होते हैं, horizontal rows होते हैं. And इस तरह से एक डॉट आ गया यहाँ पे. इसका बेस्ट बेनिफिट वगैरह कुछ नहीं करना, कुछ वहां करेंगे. आप मेरे को करंट की इक्वेशन निकाल दो. ईच सेल इज ईएमएफ ई एन इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस आर. Learned how to solve circuits in capacitors, so we don't spend time over there. Over here, we need to solve if cells are connected together. वहाँ में कभी सेल ऐसे कनेक्ट नहीं किए और आगे आगे बहुत उल्टे सीधे कनेक्ट करेंगे. Let me see how you have worked it out. You are never going to look at this in your theory paper, but we need to know how to solve such circuits. This is behaving like a single row of EMF NE and internal resistance. I think we are right. All these cells, each is EMF E, NR, R, NR. These are M. Okay? These are now M cells. Each of EMF NE and internal resistance NR. Exactly. If you have been able to NE NR by M. You should go more often to that art thing here. And what is I now?
N is equal to I R plus NR by M.
देखना हूँ मैं करता क्यों?
Yes, sir.
If a numerical comes to find the current through the resistors, you can work out. You can make it a single cell in this manner. No need to remember this thing. You will work it out as we have taught it. This is what I have taught you. Now to get the best benefit, like the argument could be if we have 24 cells, how would you connect them if the external resistor is very much larger than the internal? All of them in series. If the internal resistance is greater, then we will connect all of them in parallel. But he says the external and internal are well almost of the same order. अगर वो 2 है वो 5 है, अगर वो 6 है तो वो 8 है या बराबर भी हो सकते हैं. Then he says if you have 24 cells, will you connect 12 like this, 2 like this? or 2 like this and 12 like this, or 8 like this and 3 like this, or 6 like this and 4 like this, how are you going to connect the cells to get the best benefit? Let's try to work out something. I will call this equation number 1 and you will observe what I am doing. क्या रिजल्ट बता दूं? Okay. ऐसे तो कभी भी बोलोगे आप. From 1 we have I is equal to MNE over MR plus NR, which is N into E over MR plus NR. Now, बड़ा N is a constant. The पंगा is M and N. ठीक है? Now, for I to be maximum, MR plus NR should be minimum. मारते हैं फोकस जो तुम्हारी बनी शाबाश. इसका मतलब है कि anyway is a minimum. कि मैं शांति न सुन देख रहे हैं. No problem. Is a minimum. ये क्या बन गया? MR minus plus 2NRR. ये तो कांस्टेंट है. Is minimum. Therefore, MR under the root का square minus NR under the root नहीं ऐसे is minimum. Minimum value of a whole square is 0. Therefore, MR under the root minus NR is a 0, or MR under the root is equal to NR under the root square, or MR is equal to NR, or R is a thus if they are of the same order and the maximum current will be NE over 2R. देखो कितना सिंपल जो हो गया. सो मैं आपको बता रहा था कि यहां बता दूं डायरेक्टली कि इसको मैंने यहीं छोड़ा. The for maximum benefit R should be equal to NR by N. I can either write it as NE over 2R, or I can write it as NE over 2NR by N. चलो पहले यहां तक लिखो फिर पूरा लिखते हैं. यहाँ कौन बैठता है? कौन नहीं आया? I think everybody is here. Sir? रिज्यूम नहीं आया. ठीक है, चलो ऐसा भेज दीजिए. चरण कमल क्या कर रहे हैं आजकल मुझको बिल्कुल नहीं पता. सर, आई होप यू आर वर्किंग. न्यूमेरिकल करती है. Right? Inclusion. Cells are connected in mixed grouping when external and internal distances are of the same order. Cells are connected in mixed grouping when external distance and internal distance, R and R are of the same order. The maximum current is I max would be NE by 2R, or I max is NE by 2NR by M, which will be MNE over 2NR, or it will be बड़ा N into E over 2NR. M निकली गया बीच में से. Two values of I max, and we have learned how to work out circuits when cells are in series and in parallel. More about it tomorrow. And tomorrow we have a very important lecture where we are going to solve a number of NCERT type questions. ठीक है? तो मैं आपको खुश हुआ lecture. ठीक है? चल. सवाल करते रहो.